Hi, welcome to Wholeheartedly for the Lord Bible Journaling with Sherry. Today's quick process video will be from Print, Pray, and Slay. I'm Not Lucky, I'm Loved is one of her kits from her shop, and I just wanted to go ahead and put this video up really fast. It's a quick video. I can't speak long. I had a setback yesterday, got sick. I really wanted to have this video up on St. Patrick's Day, and it didn't work out that way. So lest I start coughing again, I just want to say that you are loved and I am loved, and I'm so grateful to God for his love. And this is in 1 John chapter 4. And if you want this kit or any kits from Print, Pray, and Slay, just go over to her Etsy shop. I don't get anything for it. She just was gracious enough to give me a code. I use her kits a lot, and she wanted to bless you guys with it. And I'm so glad she did, because it does make a difference. So you can just put in Sherry15 and you can get 15% off of whatever you purchase, okay? Thank you for watching, and remember, if I can Bible journal, so can you.